Welcome back guys to this YouTube channel. Thank you so much. Najua nimewatupa sana. Today's video will be very short. I want to take you on a tour of Pema Dairy Farm. Haraka haraka tu. So come with me. Let me just show you what we have here at Pema Dairy Farm. Kujeni tuone what we have here. So in this section we have a bit of cows here. Hawa ni wale hawajaanza kukamuliwa. These are still young. Also this side you can look at this side. We have a few dairy cows here. But let me just show you something that I want you to see because it is important. Just come with me. So here, this is a section where we have put males, ndume. So this is a section where we have put bulls. Hizi zote ziko hapa. These are bulls, alright? Hizi ni ndume. And the reason I am showing you this particular section is because all these bulls are on sale. All these bulls are on sale. These are 11 bulls. Najua unauliza how old are they? They are from 4. Ile iko chini sana ni 4 months to 6 months. The youngest is 4 months, the oldest is 6 months. And they are all on sale. There is a number that is running on your screen right now. That number, please use that number to call, and please call during working hours. Again, this number that is running on your screen, please call that number. These bulls are on sale. And the youngest is 4 months, the oldest is 6 months. You can come closer to give them a good view of the bulls. I hope you can see those bulls quite clearly. 11 in number. And they are all on sale. Sawa sawa? They are all on sale. Sawa sawa? So please call that number during working hours. Sawa? Aya, sasa kuja tuende kwa section ya ng'ombe za kukamua. I know you want to see. So I just want to give you a brief tour. So follow me. By the way, this it's around 5 o'clock in the evening, Kenyan time. So ndio tuko karibu kukamua maziwa ya jioni. Just for the sake of showing you, this is our store. Hapa ndio mahali tunaeka our hay. Hizi ni hay. These are bales of hay. This is where our chaff cutters are. This is also where we put our napier grass zikisha katakatwa. This is where we place it in. Sawa sawa, twende. So guys, these are our dairy animals. Wacha tu niingie. So yes, here we are. These are our dairy animals. We have others on the other side. Nitawapeleka mkaone. And yeah, this is it. Of course, we give them names. They have names, zote ziko na majina. For example, like this one, this side here is called Hope. This is Hope. You can see they have the tags. This right here is Velon. That there is Bear, and so on and so forth. So let's go to the other side. Alafu tumalize. Aya, sawa. Kujeni tuende. So you can see this right here is Velon, right? Kujeni guys. This is our other section where we put our dairy animals. This one right here is Molly. And all of them, as you can see, every animal has a tag. They all have tags. As you can see, every animal has a tag. That is because you want to identify your animals. Unataka kujua, ukiambiwa na veterinary ng'ombe fulani imegonjeka, hakuambii ng'ombe ya black na white. As you can see, zote ziko na black na white. You should also make a point of giving your cows names. Sawa? So here we have Kairetu, we have Moscow, we have Grace, we have Molly, and so on and so forth. So as I was saying, normalize to give your animals names. This is Kairetu. If you look at all these animals, each has an ear tag. Wote wako na majina. Alright, this is Moscow. Next to Moscow is Zari. Yeah, this one right here. Sasa hebu imagine ati mtu anakwambia ati ile ng'ombe ya black and white imegonjeka. Angalia tu hizo ng'ombe uone huyu ni Grace. Uangalie wengi hapo ni black and white. Sasa unaweza jua ni yupi. So patia ng'ombe wako majina. It is absolutely the way to go. You remember the bulls I have shown you pale juu. This is where they begin. Wakizaliwa wanakuja hapa. So hawa wako like 2 months old. Wanakuja hapa, kuna wengine hapa ndani. Huyo anaitwa Mason. So wakizaliwa wanakuja hapa, wanakunywa maziwa, and then wanaenda pale juu mahali tulikuwa. Na ukumbuke, those bulls are on sale. This is the number. Please call this number. And during working hours, those bulls are only 11, and I can guarantee you they are very, very good bulls. So huwa wanaanzia hapa. Hebu angalia kama huyu venye ana shine. Yeah? Very, very nice cows. So continue calling that number. Book your bull. They are only 11. It's a first come, first serve basis. Sawa sawa. So this is where they begin. And then of course these are the rest of the dairy animals. Again nitarudia. Look at all those animals. Each has an ear tag ya jina yake. And by the way, for your information, when you call them by their names, they know. That is how, yani, God is just amazing in his creation. These cows are called by their names even during milking, and each one knows their names. That is molasses just been, these guys are making feeds to feed the cow. So giving your cows or your animals names is an amazing thing to do, because they actually know that mimi ndio naitwa Hope, mimi ndio naitwa Molly, mimi ndio naitwa Kairetu, and so on and so forth. So we are almost done with this vlog. This is our store. These are just guys trying to make the chaff cutter. This is fresh cut napier grass. Unaiweka hapo inakauka at least before feeding the cows. This is the other section. And we are almost done with this vlog. It is a short vlog. If you're interested in seeing such a vlog, let me know in the comment section. Any question, any comment, whatever it is, just let me know. Bye bye.